What up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna show you guys a little project I'm trying to do for our backyard. As you can see, we have a whole lot of space right here next to our fire pit. So what I'm thinking is building a nice little koi pond for this area since it's getting a lot of shade. I'm thinking 5 feet, 12 feet, and about 2 feet high. I think that'll be perfect for the fish to, swim around and build a nice little waterfall, and maybe, plants and things like that for the fish pond. This is something new I'm about to do, so it's gonna be a lot of mistakes I'm about to do, guys. So if you have any advice for me, let me know. Definitely, willing to hear them. Cinder blocks, concrete, everything, putting all this stuff together, that's all new to me. So I did a little construction back in my days, but building a pond, that's just something new. So we're gonna go ahead and try to figure this out, and hopefully it's a good journey that we're about to take. So these are gonna be maybe 2-3 part video that I'm about to make, and let's take a ride to Home Depot and Lowe's and start getting the materials. And you can see the fire pit is right here and the pond's gonna be right there. So maybe, have a nice little seating area with the pond facing the fire pit. It's gonna look nice. It's gonna look nice. All right, guys, we're here at Lowe's. We're about to go ahead and pick up some cinder blocks and some cement, and then we're gonna go check it out. All right, be right back. We're gonna go inside. All right, guys, so this is the bricks we're about to buy right here. $1.50. Right now I'm only gonna purchase 10 because I don't have a truck. Got a little SUV, so we're gonna buy 10 right now, and then we're just gonna have to make like 50 trips. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and jump on this real quick. All right, guys, this is our second trip coming back from Lowe's. I just grabbed 10 bricks again. What we have to do is just keep using this SUV to keep getting 10 bricks
at a time. It's not like we're in a rush for it.
Yeah, no rush, but it's gonna be a project, so hopefully by the time we make our 50th trip, we're good to go. All right, so more bricks coming in and piling up. This is actually a smaller 8x6x16, so this is gonna go in the back, and then I have the 8x8x16 that's gonna be on the side and the front. I'll show you guys in a minute. All right, YouTube, this is trip number 3 to get some more cinder blocks. I actually had to return the other one because I don't know if I told you guys, I did make a mistake on the size. So this is trip number 3, and getting ready to put it back in the backyard. Gotta keep moving. All right, everybody, after 4 trips so far to Lowe's, I got enough to make a layout real quick on the blocks for my koi pond. So as you can see, this is what it's gonna look like. I know it's not straight, guys. I'm just making a quick layout before I cement everything together and make sure everything's leveled and even. This looks good, honestly. This is gonna be nice. So like I said, 12 feet long, 5 feet in the width. Also went to Harbor Freight. I don't know if you guys have a Harbor Freight where you're at. This right here I bought for $5. So this is pretty cheap compared to what you can get at the other stores. $5 for this whole set to get me started. And as you can see, of course, another $3 at Harbor Freight just for the knee pads, because once I start cementing everything, I'm gonna be in the trenches. But for now, this is what it looks like, guys. This is gonna be like I said, a couple part videos. This is part 1. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, I'm willing to take any suggestions. You have any advice, let me know. Leave it on the comments below. Part 1. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe button, and see you guys next time.